Hey guys, I wanted to give you a tip on how to become good at guitar. So I'm going to tell you a little backstory real quick. So Jerry Seinfeld, you guys have probably heard of him before. He's widely seen as the most successful comedian, stand-up comedian ever. Or at least he was for a long time. I think that he still is. I'm not super into the comedy game anymore, but well, not that I ever was. Anyway, I do like comedies, but so there was a guy who was doing stand-up. He was like an aspiring stand-up comedian, and he talked to Jerry Seinfeld. Jerry was there, and he saw him, and so he said, "Hey, can you give me some advice?" And Jerry said, "Yeah, so the best thing I can tell you is just to write jokes every day." And so I guess when Jerry, and then he went to explain that when he was an aspiring stand-up comedian, what he did was every day he got a calendar and he marked on it, I think with an X, but I'm not sure. Anyway, he made a mark on the calendar every day that he wrote a joke. There wasn't anything that he did to measure the jokes if they were good. He just wrote a new joke every day, and then he would mark it on the calendar. So, he'd get like hundreds of days in a row, or probably years in a row, where he wrote a joke. And the most important thing was, he said, is that you need to keep that chain going, right? The chain of jokes going on there. So, and of that consistency. So how does this apply to guitar? It's the same thing, except for you're not writing something. But I would say just make sure you play every day. And if you can have some way of tracking that whether that's on a calendar or on an app on your phone or something like that, that's great. But make sure that you do it every day. Especially when you're first learning. Now, if you want to become really good, always do that, right? And that will really help. But that was the biggest thing for me that helped me early on. And I think that will help a lot of you. And I believe that actually you can attribute success to, in any form, to that. Same with work, with education, with anything, just being very consistent. But with guitar, it will be impossible for you to get very good at it, or very difficult if you're just playing like once in a while or once a week or something like that, especially in the beginning. But if you want to get really good at that, at playing guitar, make sure that you just take, even if it's just a few minutes, and make sure you do it every day, and that you track that, and that will really help a lot. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching.